Pruning is like a good haircut for your plants. It keeps them healthy, encourages growth, and makes your garden look amazing. By trimming away dead or overgrown branches, you give the healthy parts of the plant more room to thrive. Pruning also helps prevent diseases. By removing diseased branches, you stop the problem from spreading to the rest of the plant. This is especially important in crowded gardens where diseases can spread quickly. A well-pruned garden is also more pleasing to the eye. Pruning helps maintain the shape and size of your plants, preventing them from becoming overgrown and unruly. This creates a neater, more attractive garden that you can be proud of. Finally, pruning can actually lead to more flowers and fruits. By removing old growth, you encourage the plant to put its energy into producing new blooms and fruits, resulting in a more bountiful garden. Before you grab your shears and start snipping away, it's crucial to understand the specific needs of each plant in your garden. Not all plants are created equal, and what works for one might harm another. Begin by identifying whether you're dealing with a fast-growing or slow-growing plant. Fast growers, like many herbs and vines, require more frequent trims to keep their size in check. Slow growers, such as certain shrubs, can go longer between pruning sessions. Next, determine when your plant flowers. Some plants bloom on new wood, growth from the current year, while others bloom on old wood, previous year's growth. Pruning at the wrong time can result in sacrificing an entire season of beautiful blooms. Don't hesitate to consult gardening books, websites, or local nurseries for guidance on specific plant species. Knowing your plant's individual needs is the key to successful pruning and a thriving garden. Having the right tools for the job is essential for effective and enjoyable pruning. Just like a chef needs a variety of knives, a gardener needs different tools for different pruning tasks. Hand pruners or secateurs are your go-to tool for most pruning jobs. They're perfect for snipping small branches and stems up to about ½ an inch thick. Look for bypass pruners, which cut with a scissor-like action, for cleaner cuts. For thicker branches, you'll need loppers, which have longer handles that provide more leverage. Loppers are ideal for branches between ½ an inch and ½ inch thick. Pruning saws come in handy for removing large branches that are too thick for loppers. These saws have specialized teeth that make quick work of even the toughest wood. Finally, hedge shears are specifically designed for trimming hedges and shrubs. Their long blades create smooth, even cuts, giving your hedges a neat and tidy appearance. Timing is everything when it comes to seasonal pruning. Knowing the right time to prune can make a world of difference in the health and appearance of your plants. Just as important as knowing what to prune is knowing when to prune. The timing can affect the plant's growth, flowering, and overall vitality. Different plants have different growth cycles, and pruning at the right time can significantly impact their health and blooming potential. Understanding these cycles is crucial for effective pruning. For many flowering plants, the general rule of thumb is to prune them immediately after they finish blooming. This helps to maintain their shape and encourages more blooms in the next cycle. This encourages new growth and prevents you from accidentally cutting off any developing flower buds. New shoots will emerge, leading to a healthier and more vibrant plant. Spring is an excellent time to prune summer flowering shrubs, as it allows them to develop strong growth before the blooming season. While late winter or early spring is ideal for spring flowering shrubs. Pruning during this period ensures that the plants are ready to burst into bloom as the weather warms up. During these times, the plants are still dormant, and pruning wounds have time to heal before the growing season begins. This minimizes stress on the plants and promotes healthy growth. Avoid heavy pruning in late summer or fall, as this can stimulate new growth that may be vulnerable to frost damage in colder months. New growth is particularly susceptible to frost, which can harm the plant. However, you can remove any dead, diseased, or damaged branches at any time of year. This helps to keep the plant healthy and prevents the spread of disease. Remember, it's always best to consult specific pruning guidelines for individual plant species to ensure you're pruning at the optimal time. Each plant has its own needs, and following expert advice can lead to the best results. Mastering a few basic pruning techniques will allow you to shape your plants, encourage healthy growth, and maintain the overall aesthetics of your garden. By pruning correctly, you can maximize their blooming potential and ensure that your garden remains vibrant and healthy throughout the growing season. Pinching is a technique used to create bushier, more compact plants. This method is particularly useful for plants that tend to grow tall and leggy. It involves simply pinching off the tips of new growth using your fingers or pruning shears. This simple action can make a significant difference in the plant's overall shape. This encourages the plant to produce more lateral shoots, resulting in a fuller appearance. A well-pinched plant will have a more robust and attractive form. Heading is similar to pinching, but involves cutting back a portion of a branch or stem rather than just the tip. This technique is often used to control the height and spread of the plant. This technique helps control the size and shape of the plant and encourages branching below the cut. Proper heading can lead to a more manageable and aesthetically pleasing plant. Thinning involves selectively removing entire branches or stems from the plant. This method is crucial for plants that have become too dense or overgrown. This helps improve air circulation, light penetration, and overall plant vigor. Thinning can prevent diseases and promote healthier growth. When thinning, always remove branches at their base, just above a bud or lateral branch. This ensures that the plant heals properly and continues to grow healthily. Remember, when making pruning cuts, always use sharp, clean tools to ensure a clean cut that heals quickly. Dull or dirty tools can damage the plant and introduce diseases. Make your cuts at a slight angle, just above a bud or lateral branch, to promote healthy new growth. This technique helps the plant to recover faster and encourages vigorous new shoots. Pruning isn't just about aesthetics. It plays a vital role in maintaining the health and vigor of your plants. It's a crucial practice that ensures your garden remains lush and thriving throughout the seasons. By regularly pruning your garden, you'll enjoy a healthier, more vibrant outdoor space. This simple act can transform your garden into a sanctuary of beauty and vitality. One of the most significant benefits of pruning is disease prevention. By carefully inspecting and removing affected areas, you can stop diseases in their tracks. Removing diseased or damaged branches prevents the spread of infections to other parts of the plant or even other plants in your garden. This proactive approach keeps your garden healthy and flourishing. Pruning also improves air circulation within the plant canopy. This allows the plant to breathe better and reduces the risk of mold and mildew. This is especially important in humid climates, where good air circulation helps prevent fungal diseases. Proper airflow is essential for maintaining plant health. Increased light penetration, another benefit of pruning, allows the plant to photosynthesize more efficiently, resulting in stronger growth. More sunlight reaching the inner parts of the plant boosts its overall vitality. By removing old, unproductive wood, pruning encourages the plant to put its energy into producing new growth, flowers, and fruits. This rejuvenation process is key to a productive garden. This leads to a more abundant and vibrant garden. The results of regular pruning are evident in the lushness and productivity of your plants. Finally, pruning can help rejuvenate older, overgrown plants. This process can breathe new life into your garden, making it look fresh and well-maintained. By selectively removing old wood, you can stimulate new growth and restore the plant to its former glory. This careful attention to detail ensures your garden remains a beautiful and thriving space. While the general principles of pruning apply to most plants, vines and trees often require specific techniques and considerations. Vines, with their vigorous growth habits, can quickly become unruly without regular pruning. Prune vines to control their size, train them onto trellises or other supports, and encourage flowering. The best time to prune vines varies depending on the species, so consult specific guidelines for your vine type. Trees, especially young ones, benefit from regular pruning to establish a strong structure and prevent future problems. Remove any crossing branches, branches that rub together, and branches that grow inward toward the center of the tree. When pruning trees, it's essential to avoid topping, which involves cutting off the top of the main trunk. Topping can weaken the tree, make it more susceptible to disease, and ruin its natural shape. Remember, pruning mature trees can be dangerous, and it's often best to consult a certified arborist for significant pruning needs. Don't let this be the end of your eco journey. Like and subscribe for more impactful tips. Thank you for watching.